Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to add friends in League of Legends. In order to add friends in League of Legends, firstly you need to open up your League of Legends client. After opening up your League of Legends client, you need to head to your profile picture. Under your profile picture, you will find the social tab where you will find an add friends button. Left click on it. Now in the add friend section, you have to input the game name and tagline of the player you want to add. You can get it from your friend via Discord or any other means. After getting it, just input it in here. So for instance, I'll input a name of a random player and tagline. Then click on add friend. So now the friend request has been sent to the player here, as you can see. Now if the player accepts the friend request, he will be redirected to your friends list and you can see him from here. After that, you can play matches with him by calling him into your lobby and whatsoever. So this is how you can easily add friends in League of Legends.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.